Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Blanky Blankz from Poppy Playtime. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. We'll start off by drawing the shape of the head with a large circle. And then let's hop inside and let's draw two curves across in the center. Now to draw the zipper, let's start in the middle and let's draw a square shape up. Bring it out from each side. And let's do the same pattern going out in each direction. Now on top of the zipper, let's draw some dashed lines. And the same thing underneath. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop on top and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with two large circles. And then another circle inside each one. Next, inside each eye, we're going to draw an X shape by drawing 4 curves out, like this. And then let's color the spaces around the X's in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next we're going to hop out and draw the end of the zipper. Let's start on the left side and let's draw a rectangle shape out. And then on top, let's draw a circular curve around and back up underneath. And let's do the same thing inside. Now underneath, we're going to draw the letter M. Let's start with a V-shaped point and 2 angles down. Now let's add another point underneath in the center. 2 more angles. And close off each side. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. We'll start with 2 curves down. Then let's curve it out and down, stopping here. Now underneath each line, let's draw 2 large ovals for the feet. And then close off the body with a curve across in between. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's hop out and draw the arms. Let's start under the head and let's draw a curve down on each side. Then let's bring it out. And another smaller curve out next to the feet. Now for the hands, let's draw a bump down at the bottom for the thumbs. And then from the top, let's curve it down. And bring it back up and in. And that's it for Blanky Blankz. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!